Hi, welcome to Detailing World. In today's video we're going to be doing an interior detail. Hi, so welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name's Matt, and as I say, today we're going to be doing a quick interior detail. It's going to be on my car, on the Pulsar. It's not been done inside properly for probably a couple of months. It gets hoovered out and wiped down and all that, so it's not too dusty or anything, but the leather hasn't been treated probably since the start of summer, springtime. So it's just picked up over the last few weeks some muddy paw prints from having the dog in the car, so we're going to try out a couple of the Tenzi products today. It's not a full review because this is the first time I'm trying these, but yeah, we're going to be using those products to basically clean up the leather and condition it as well. Before we dive into this detail then, if you do enjoy this video, then make sure you smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do consider subscribing as well. It really does help us out. So this isn't going to be a full tutorial video, this is just me tidying the inside of the car. We have done a interior detail video, 15 basic steps. You can see that up here. We've also got a bunch of other tutorial videos, so how to hand polish, how to clay, 10 basics for cleaning the outside for the beginners, and I'll put links in the description below for all of those. But essentially today it's going to be a case of hoovering it. Fortunately we've got a Bedlington Terrier, he doesn't molt, so there's no dog hair in the car, just muddy paw prints. So we're going to be hoovering it, cleaning down the leather and giving it a really deep clean with the leather cleaner that we've got. Condition the leather, wipe down all the plastics, the dashboards and all of that, give them a good thorough clean, apply some dressing to those, and then give it a glass of clean as well. So yeah, we'll dive right into this. Okay, so there we have it then. It's quite a simple job and it just takes a couple of hours, particularly if you've got a leather interior and it needs a clean and condition. And God, I forget how nice leather feels after it's been recently conditioned. And whilst I was doing that, I think the last time it was cleaned and conditioned like that was when I was testing some other products for another company, probably back in March time, so it's probably been 6-7 months. So it was well due a really deep clean. So yeah, I enjoyed using these products. The Tenzi deep clean, it's quite a foamy product as you can see, but it doesn't spread the foam straight away, it instantly sort of liquidizes. But it did clean up all the paw prints and everything quite well and pull some of the dirt out of the leather. You can see that on the steering wheel more than anywhere else. I mean, really the car's only sort of 18 months old, 20 months old, something like that. It's got like 6,300 miles on, so it's not heavily used, it's not a really grimy car, but it has got that surface dirt. So yeah, that's that done with. Hopefully for the winter the dog doesn't get in it too much when he's dirty. It's normally trips to the mother-in-laws and to the groomers. He doesn't really get that dirty anyway, so anything like nose prints or doggy nose art on the windows normally gets wiped off during the regular wash routine anyway. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, then make sure you smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed to this channel already, please do consider subscribing. It really does help us out and it doesn't cost you a thing. If you want any merch like this, then make sure you check out the merch store, and also follow us on Instagram. We're on there as Detailing World Official, and I'm on there as Randomly Set if you want to see some of the behind the scenes footage and photos of that. As I said earlier, if you want to see more tutorial type videos, I'll put a link up here. We've got a 15-step guide on interior detailing, a 10-step guide on exterior detailing for beginners, how to clay your car, how to polish your car by hand, and a bunch of other tutorials as well. So yeah, there'll be a link up the top, link in the description, and no doubt an end card in just a short moment. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video.